अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, गुड मॉर्निंग ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। सन इज शाइनिंग इन डबलिन। आज ज़बरदस्त वेदर है। लास्ट मोमेंट में हम लोगों ने प्लान बनाया कि क्यों ना जो है ना आज पिकनिक करने के लिए क्लारा लारा जाया जाए। तो सबसे पहले आपको हम अपनी नई गाड़ी दिखाते हैं जो कि मैंने अभी परसों ही 2020 मॉडल की टोयोटा वॉक्सी 7 सीटर गाड़ी में मौजूद हैं। बच्चे तो आपको पहले बच्चों से मिलाते हैं। तो माशाल्लाह ये मेरी नई गाड़ी है और मेरे साथ गाड़ी में मौजूद हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक ठाक हो? गुड। और ये पीछे बैठे हैं बच्चे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? ऑल गुड, यू एक्साइटेड? ओके ग्रेट। तो हम जा रहे हैं क्लारा लारा। आई थिंक उसका व्लॉग आपने पहले भी देखा होगा। गाड़ी में सारा कुछ सामान मैंने डाल दिए। पोस्टमैन भी आ गया। तो ये हमारे पास 3 बैग हैं, चूल्हा है, चिकन शिकन सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर मौजूद हैं। चलते हैं क्लारा लारा और आपसे मिलते हैं। हम खाना पकाएंगे, आपको दिखाएंगे और मज़े से खाना खाएंगे भी सही। हेलो, हाउ आर यू? गुड मॉर्निंग। थैंक यू वेरी मच। निकल गए हैं रास्ते में। वी आर ऑन आवर वे टू क्लारा लारा। अनदर ब्यूटीफुल डे माशाल्लाह। जी किड्स, अच्छा अब इनकी लड़ाई हो रही है कि इन दोनों ने रेड शर्ट क्यों पहनी हुई है। वेरी नाइस।
I had this until now. Where it is outside.
Are you wearing the same clothes since last night?
No. What am I gonna do? Take it off anyway.
Yeah, that's it, I know.
And I just turned it on. I had it off. And then I turned it on and then like the dirty thing is brown.
Yeah.
1962. Did I?
It's not looking crazy. Oh, it is busy.
Imagine if they're here.
It's crazy busy. ये जी क्लारा लारा की एंट्रेंस है। यहाँ पे इनकी लेफ्ट में फुल पार्किंग है। ये सामने इनका हट है, यहाँ से हम लेंगे टिकट। 22 यूरो, 75 यूरो। ओके जी, ये बच्चे जो हैं सामान लेके जा रहे हैं। अच्छा है, बच्चे जब बड़े तो ये सारा आपका सामान उठा लेते हैं। गुड जॉब, शाबाश। यस, 1 second, I will help you, 1 second. Done? Okay, so from the car park you have to walk at least 4-5 minutes to the park. तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं and me and Azan अभी हम लोग जाएंगे वहाँ पे। we're gonna find some nice spot to cook the food. We are cooking the same food, chicken kadai again, because it's the easy option to cook when you do the picnic. Other than that, it's not easy to make biryani or something, but then you have to do the rice and then chicken and all. So the easy option, chicken kadai, we can do it. साथ में हमारे पास ये naan bread and all. So we're gonna enjoy some delicious chicken kadai there. It's a very relaxing, beautiful place it is. Azan?
No.
No.
What do you think?
Yeah, Azan requested today. He said to me in the morning when I woke up, Dad, don't go to work. Can you bring me to Clara Lara? So I decided to cancel all my bookings, and we are here. Those big buses, maybe some summer camp or something. Okay, yes, just didn't let you know. So the ticket price is 22 euro per adult and 30 euro per child, or you can pay 75 euro per person for a season pass and you can come unlimited. So if you are planning at least 3 or 4 visits in a season, then it's best option to do the season pass. यहाँ पे जो है ना इनकी लेक है। अगर आप पहले आ जाओ तो you can get one of these huts, which is better option. So you can put all your belongings in here. But if you are late, then you have to sit down in the area.
I have a magnet.
ओके जी, ये है सामने लेक जहाँ पे बच्चे सारे नहाएंगे। हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं। वैसे तो यहाँ पे किचन बने हुए हैं, जिन्होंने बारबेक्यू वगैरह करने हो you can do the barbecues there. And I'm just thinking I'm going to put my stove here and I'm going to do my cooking. Not sure if I'm allowed to do it, but I'll just check with them before I do it to make sure there is no problem. कि हमें चेंज ना करना पड़े. So ये है हमारा किचन लोकेशन. This is where we're gonna cook the food. ये सामने यहाँ पर आप boat trip कर सकते हैं. Everything is included. Once you pay €30 price, the kids can have all these activities, slides and all. And they have plenty of cooking places down there as well. So yeah, we're just gonna be here because this is very close to this lake and then the other lake where we were sitting down. So yeah, menu again, we're making again, as I said, I mentioned you, we are making chicken कढ़ाई. और यहाँ पर ये खूबसूरत से व्यू के सामने हम कुकिंग करेंगे तो क्या ही बात है. So we made a little change in the location. हम लोग लेक के उस तरफ हवा बहुत तेज़ थी तो यहाँ पर आ गए. यहाँ पे मैंने सेटअप कर दिया. We have chicken, naan, everything here. And हमारे head chef Zara, please come here and show the viewers how to make chicken कढ़ाई.
First you need to put oil.
Okay, yeah, great. So half cup of oil जो है ना डाल दिया जाने ने. Great.
Okay, now you have to wait for the oil to heat up.
Okay, great.
Once the oil is heated up, then you put the chicken in. You have to cook it until the chicken is golden. Okay?
Yeah.
While the chicken is getting golden, I'm gonna cut the chili. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we put salt for the taste. Oh, I feel like
Salt to taste.
2 taste. And then you mix it up. And as you can see, the chicken is changing the color. Chicken is golden fried, so you put your garlic paste inside. Ginger garlic paste. You put that inside. And then you mix it. Obviously. So you put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, but we don't have tablespoons. Squeeze it in.
Zara, you're doing fantastic job. I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
Good.
I diced 3 tomatoes and I'm gonna put in. Oh. I added the tomatoes so like you put the lid on and then your tomatoes will go soft. Let me mix it.
Okay जी, ये खूबसूरत सा व्यू. बच्चे सारे enjoy कर रहे हैं. अजान भी खेल रहा है. And Zara is busy in the kitchen. Zara चाह रही है कि आज जो है ना खुद बनाए. So I'm just giving her full opportunity to do the whole thing. So let.
Now your tomatoes are soft, so you just like mix it up. Tomatoes are soft, so now you have to remove the skin of the tomato. Your green chilies inside. Black pepper. Put the lid back on, and when you put the lid on, you have to wait for the oil to separate.
The oil separates. And the delicious chicken kadai is ready by Zara, mashallah. Okay, chicken kadai ready ho gayi hai. And now I'm doing naan here. Oh. Look at this beautiful juicy tomato kadai. Wine tomatoes का यही है कि उसका सही जूस निकलता है. मैंने कढ़ाई हम लोगों ने इसी कढ़ाई में खा ली है. ज़ारा अमेजिंग आपने कढ़ाई बनाई है माशाल्लाह. एक नवाला हम लोग लेंगे व्यूवर्स के लिए. क्या ही ज़बरदस्त जो है ना गोश्त गला हुआ है. हाय साथ में जो मज़ा ना कढ़ाई में खाने का है ना वो क्या ही बात है. साथ में डालेंगे प्याज. प्रधान ने खा लिया प्याज मेरा. ये डालेंगे और ऊपर रखेंगे प्याज और साथ में रखेंगे खीरा. वाह. साथ में टमाटर. वाह. साथ में दोबारा जो है ना एक बोटी उठा के.
This guy thinks he never had food in 5 years. मामा कैसे लगे?
शाबाश ज़ारा पुत्र, मज़ा ही आ गया. Okay ji, when we came here last time, we did loads of challenges and Azan failed in almost every single challenge, you remember?
Yeah.
And you think you're gonna be better this time?
Probably.
Yeah, he had done loads of practice today and now we are going to give him the challenge again. Challenge that you have to go cross this without falling. Are you ready?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, let's go.
First try, I didn't get to do it. I couldn't even do that one.
Are you ready? Go. Hello. Okay. Okay, that's it. Go. Come on, guys. Focus. Focus. Run. Come on, guys. Okay, bye. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Go. Go. Yes, you did it. Come on, you did it. 5 years later. 2,000 years later. That's how you can do it. Just don't be scared. Just relax, yes. Yes. Try to hold the rope. Try to hold the rope. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. Now turn. Around. Good. You see? You did it. Yeah. Azan, you have to cross the whole thing in 50 seconds, okay? Here we go. Okay. 30 seconds on. Around, be careful. You have a lot of time. Good, 45 seconds. You did in 45 seconds. Good. Okay, thank you very much. Which one you want? Okay जी, हम बोट पे आए हैं. Azan, you excited to do the boat? Are you gonna push me? You have to push. You both have to push, and I'll be inside the boat.
Like that.
Yeah. Go inside. Go, Zara.
We went to paddle as well.
I'm on the boat. मैं खींच रहा है. Go.
Azan, is this deep?
No. Azan, you stay with Zara. Push me. Both of you. This is Ireland, my friend. You can see far. This is Ireland. It's all Africa. I leave Africa. And Ireland. Before I arrive with Irish government, give me 2 phones so I can call my family. They come here, rescue me. Give me 2 mobile phones and full data, internet. Look like another immigrants entering in the country as well. If you ever wonder how did I came into the country, that's the boat I was on. That's the one, and I entered in the country. Look at it, look like some Australian refugees, and here is my kids and family. I'm not coming alone. I'm not coming alone in the country. I'm coming with my kids, with the family. Please, Irish government, give me a house, give me a new car, give me a new house, everything, bungalow, and €500 every week. I'm coming in the country, Irish. I love you. Oh my God, it's so near. Move. Oh. Move. We crash into the big boat.
And then go back, my feet hurt.
They do have a mini golf. Everything is included. You pay €30 for the kids and 22 for the adults. Cross this bridge over and there is a nice slide on that other side. Okay जी kids, you done? Oh blue. आते हुए दोनों red थे, and now both are blue. Very nice. तुमने enjoy किया? Did you sleep well? बेगम सोती रहेगी. हमने खाना पकाया, enjoy किया. It was good fun, enjoyed. अभी चलते हैं घर. I hope कि आपने हमारा ये छोटा सा vlog आपको पसंद आएगा. इंशाल्लाह ताला आपसे मुलाकात करते रहेंगे और ब्लॉग में. यहाँ पे ज़िंदगी इतनी टफ है ना कि डोंट रियली गेट चांस टू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस. पर या नेक्स्ट वीक प्लान है ट्रैवल का. विल डू सम डिफरेंट सिटीज़ इन आयरलैंड में एंड वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड. तो आप देखना कि मैं किसके साथ ट्रैवल करने लगा हूँ. तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें. जहाँ रहें खुश रहें. इंशाल्लाह सी यू सून इन अनदर व्लॉग. तो खुदा हाफिज़. बाय बाय.